Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the most important current affairs of 12th of July. The first question is, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated how many new bridges built by the BRO in the Jammu division of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? So the answer is 6. So these are the 6 bridges. You can take a screenshot. Next. Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has launched which portal to help skilled people find sustainable livelihood opportunities? The answer is ASEEM. So ASEEM portal, the full form is Atmanirbhar Skilled Employer-Employee Mapping. So using this portal, the employer can find skilled laborers from this database called ASEEM. And in this COVID-19 crisis, the skilled laborers, they should not go empty-handed. They should all have a job to do. And even the employers should consider hiring in these times. So to facilitate hiring, this portal has been launched by the Union Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. The minister is Mahendra Nath Pandey. Next. World's first cryo banks will be established in which country? The answer is India. So the world's first cryo banks will be established in India. They will be used to freeze the sperms of fishes. This will help the fish industry to thrive. Next, World Population Day is celebrated on which date? So it is celebrated on 11th of July. The theme of this year is how to safeguard the rights of women and girls now. Next, which country has recently withdrawn from the World Health Organization? The answer is USA. So USA has recently formally withdrawn from the WHO. Next, which country has become the second largest foreign investor in the UK? So India has become the second largest foreign investor in UK. Next, which Indian survey entered the Guinness Record Book as the largest camera trap wildlife survey? So the answer is Indian Tiger Census 2018. So it has entered the Guinness Record Book as the largest camera trap wildlife survey. According to that survey, India holds about 2,967 tigers, which is approximately 70% of the total tigers in the world. Next, who has won the 2020 Dada Saheb Phalke Award for Chi Lupo, the documentary on honey hunting? The answer is Kezang D Thongdok of Arunachal Pradesh. Next, which company has partnered with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Digital India to lead the scale-up program of Digital India for hardware and Internet of Things startups? So the answer is T-Hub. So what is Internet of Things? The smart devices that we find, the devices which carry the power of Internet. For example, your AC, which you can use for intelligent cooling. You can switch it on even when you are away from your home. And other things like Alexa, etc. These are Internet of Things based devices. So for these startups, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Digital India have partnered with T-Hub. So who is the Minister of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? The answer is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Next, what will be the mean average global temperature in the next 5 years as per the report Global Annual to Decadal Climate Update for 2020-24 released by the World Meteorological Organization? So the answer is 1.5 degrees Celsius. So there will be a rise of approximately 1.5 degrees Celsius in this 2020-2024 year range. Headquarters of WMO are situated in Geneva. So that's all for today. I hope you like our current affairs sessions. Thank you so much.